Let's go ahead and start with a fresh slate and create a cool little alert box. Now I have just a white background right now, but I'm going to change this color to something a bit darker, like gray. Okay, now I want to clear these guides as well. Let's just grab our rounded rectangle tool. Let's change this radius to 10, and let's just drag out a rounded rectangle. Oops, I'm going to go ahead and create a new layer before I do that. Alert. Okay, and let's just drag this new rectangle out. Awesome. Now let's just create some text inside of it. Let's say I'm actually going to make sure that I create this text outside of the box. Alert, so I can drag it nice and easily. Let's change this color to black. Alrighty. And I'm going to select OK, and let's just drag this down. There we go. Let's drag out another text layer and just say something will happen. Alright, and I'm just going to make this 24 pixels, change the color to a lighter gray, and let's drag this down as well. There we go, perfect. Now let's zoom in a bit and create two almost buttons. And we're going to do this by using our line tool, and make sure that the weight is 1 pixel, and let's make sure this fill is a light gray. So I'm going to do right about here, and make sure you're somewhere below halfway down, and just drag all the way to the left. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and make a new guide, and we're going to go 50%. Alright, now I know where to drag this, so we'll drag this down. There we go, and now we can just create two buttons. I'll do settings, and I want this to be a different font. I'm just going to go to Helvetica, new. Okay, and let's make it light, and let's change it to a bit lighter. There we go. Let's drag it down, center it, and I'm just going to duplicate it, drag it to the right, and let's hit cancel. Sorry, let's type cancel. Alright, and there we go. We just made a alert. Pretty cool. Let's go ahead and grab this. I want to move the guide so we can see the lines. Okay, not bad. You'll notice that this little line's running down off the page. We can just zoom in real quick and delete that pretty easily. To find the shape that we're working with, just grab our marquee tool, drag up, rasterize the layer. So come up to layer, rasterize type, and just select delete. Oops, make sure we're on shape 1. And I need to rasterize this layer because I accidentally just rasterized the alert layer. So let's go to rasterize shape, and now we select delete, and there we go. We can also add a slight drop shadow if we want. If we double click our layer styles, we can come here to drop shadow. I think it looks fine, and there we go. We just created an alert. Very easy, very simple.